on the night. Slow motion in the neon light. Every head turn when you pass by, but you only had me in your side.
Champagne spilling on the floor,
but we ain't really here for the pour.
Your hand brushing against my arm
got me wanting something more. Tell me what you came for, it ain't just a dance floor. The way you're looking at me, girl, I know you want more. This is what you came for. Not the lights, not the flame, no. When the DJ plays that slow song, we disappear when the bass low. This is what you came for. Hearts racing, can't fake it. When the whole world fades away, it's just us, no mistaking.
I see the fire in your eyes. You ain't slick, boy, don't lie. You've been waiting all damn night for a moment just like this time. I didn't dress up for the crowd, didn't come to scream out loud. If you're bold enough, come close. Show me what you're about. That's what you came for. Say it like you want more. Don't stop when I pull you in. Let your hands explore.
This is what you came for. Not the lights, not the fame, no. When the DJ plays it slow song, we disappear when the bass low. This is what you came for. Hearts racing, can't fake it. When the whole world fades away, it's just us, no mistaking. Just us two.
No more pretending what we gonna do.
Take my hand, don't let it go. We don't need nobody to know
what we feel when we get that close.
Yeah. But you play with me. You change your mind and it's embarrassing. Hurt people, I wanna love you. Don't make me give up on you, giving into temptation. You lose me if I lose my patience. Do it skillfully. Just when I feel like I'm catching on, you take my clothes off, make me forget it all. Hate you, I love you, I'm begging for it. All that I'm asking for, just keep it quiet. Don't make a scene of my heart, babe. Keep all your secrets in private. Don't make a good girl get violent. If you gon' spray on me, keep it low. I pop shit too, I got a big ego. Keep my composure until I don't. I pop shit too, I got a big ego. I don't wanna think about it, fight about it, fuck about it, right? Think about it, fight about it, fuck about it, right? When I could just let your homeboy slide. You think you know me, got one more side. I go skillfully. Just when I feel like I'm catching on, you take my clothes off, make me forget it all. Hate you, I love you, I'm begging for it. All that I'm asking for, just keep it quiet. Don't make a scene of my heart, babe. Keep all your secrets in private. Don't make a good girl get violent. If you gon' spray on me, keep it low. I pop shit too, I got a big ego. Keep my composure until I don't. I pop shit too, I got a big ego. Think about it, fight about it, fuck about it, cry. Think about it, fight about it, fuck about it, cry. Think about it, fight about it, fuck about it, cry. I don't wanna think about it, fight about it, fuck about it, cry. Pick yourself up, take it out tonight. Get no matter who you are, do the stars tonight. It don't matter where you came from, nah. Diamonds white like porcelain. Swimming in that ocean, need a dose of friend. Take you back to the future like the doors on the low end. I know you both again. Got an attitude and you mad and bougie, baby. Yeah. Don't you go acting new with my hands on you, yeah. Got this pretty round brown, so whip it right now.
tonight. It don't matter where you came from.
Just keep it quiet. Don't make a scene of my heart, babe. Keep all your secrets in private.
I'll touch you tonight. The dependency. The want.
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Get it right, baby, yeah. Ride it, yeah. Bring it over to my place. And you be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you do. Keep to me. Your body like it speaks to me. I don't know what you do. Get to me. Your body like it speaks to me. I can make it hurricane on it. 100 bands make it rain on it. Tie it up, put a chain on it. Make you tattoo my name on it. Oh, make you cry like a baby, yo. Let's go, bro, and make a video. Yeah. Make you cry like a baby, yo. Let's go, bro, and make a video. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, right it, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be like, baby, who cares? So I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you do. Keep to me. Your body like it speaks to me. I don't know what you do. Get to me. Your body like it speaks to me.
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, 'cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a phase, said we can't see that. Now from top to bottom, they see that we did that. Yes, it's so true that, yes, we've been through it. Yes, we got rich. Yes, see, baby, we've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home, 'cause I can't sleep without you, baby. Anybody who's ever loved you knows just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. Yeah. I got a question for you. We already know the answer, but still I wanna ask you, would you lie? No. Make me cry? No. Do something behind my back and then try to cover it up? Well, neither would I, baby. My love is only ever love. Yes. I'll be faithful. Yes. I'm for real. Yes. And with us, you'll always know the deal. We've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. Oh, and I'll be waiting up until you get home, 'cause I can't sleep without you, baby. If anybody who's ever loved you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. Yeah. See, this is real talk. Come on, always stay. No matter what, good or bad, thick and thin, right or wrong, all day, every day. Now if you're down on love, or don't believe this ain't for you, no, this ain't for you. And if you got it deep in your heart, and deep down you know that it's true. Come on, well let me say
question. Making plans for you, baby. I've been making plans.
Really should have a room.
Baby, I've been making plans for
Really should have a room. You have a new love. I'll admit it. Let me be hypothetical. The day I find a woman, I'll probably be scared to share it. The idea of me finding love will run somebody off. And true, my wall could use some plaques, but still I got a flaws. Brush you off. Yeah, I'm kinda lost. Now I'm up in the club with a couple of move-ons. From dark, good trouble, heart. Went from falling in love to drunk and falling.
There can be one only you are. And baby, I can never make two. Nah, nah, nah. And I know you came here with your crew. But I promise you that it feels like it's just us two. Oh, I don't know what you had planned to do tonight, but I just wanna be the one to do you right, right. And we're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. You said you came for love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell them they're wrong. Come on, just baby, try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby, love you crazy. Tell me if you ready, baby, come and get it. Try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame. I can't believe you keep me all alone, baby girl. Is your lover? Oh, it don't really matter, 'cause I got plans to get to know you better. Baby, 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 let's make what we got here last forever. Girl, 'cause I don't wanna let you go. Never. I don't know what you had planned to do tonight.
World Series, our niggas sliding in her. Baby, I'm a boss, I'm talking George Steinbrenner, Panamera, Yogi Berra, my two-seater, Derek Jeter, got more stripes than all these niggas. Baby ballin' in the Beamer, collar on my polo, kisses on my necklace, all my diamonds.
Yeah, I gave you more than you wanted. I gave you more than you need. So tell me, how does it feel to lose the one you believe in?
I made you drop it on a Tuesday. I had the popcorn poppin', we made a movie. So many feelings involved, the way you do me. Tell me you're ready or not, this ain't the full chase. Got one shot to do what it takes. Got no time for no mistakes. I save a lot cause I made
You gonna remember me.
I'm gonna remember you.
You gonna remember me.
I'm gonna remember you. You gonna remember me.
I'm gonna remember you. You gonna remember me.
I'm gonna remember you. You gonna remember
Saw you
me.
with your new girl just yesterday, and I feel that I must confess, even though it kills me to have to say, I'll admit that I was impressed. Physically just short of affection. Gotta commend you on your selection. Though I know I shouldn't be concerned, in the back of my mind I can't help but question. Does she rub your feet when you've had a long day? Scratch your scalp when you take out your Does she know that you like to play PS2 till 6 in the morning like I do? I can't explain this feeling. I think about it every day, and even though we've moved on, it gets so hard to walk away.
Remember me. Forever you will live in my
Think about it every day, and even though we've moved on, it gets so hard to walk
There's a wonderful piece coming to you from Paul the Under.
away.
Wonderful piece coming to you from Paul the Under. She calls this one Walk Away.
I'm gonna remember you.
You gonna remember me.
The things
We are still in the month of love, you know.
just you and me, my friend, my love, my family. How did we lose a love that seemed meant to be? Sometimes I kiss her and wish that it was you I'm kissing.
Sometimes I miss her and wish that it was you I'm missing.
Sometimes I hug her and wish that it was you I was hugging.
And I read
Today is the 21st day of February 2026.
this feeling, 'cause nobody compares to you.
How did you celebrate your Valentine's Day?
Never love you like I.
Or whatever happened on Valentine's Day with me, or if you want to wish somebody a happy Valentine's Day, or you want to celebrate someone today, a birthday or anything, just send me SMS and I'll read it right here on the show for you.
We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll out backward, babe, and let me close. Cause girls like you roll around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. We took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. And now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and let me close.
This is Girl Like You from Maroon 5.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girl like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive. Oh, 'cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown when I. So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it. So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it.
You say all you need is consistent love. When I try, I swear it's never enough. I messed up. Maybe this thing here just ain't meant for us. Maybe you let go and I'll pull you back. I let go, you ain't having that. We do it like a rock star. Sexing in my hotel room and we so loud. Higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing 95 with the top down. I might sound crazy, 'cause we be going back and forth for a minute. I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is. Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
So we get it.
I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
Till we get it.
So we get it.
Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
So we get it.
Till we get it.
I'ma get it. Turn up.
Why is it all so complicated? Maybe this should be simple. It's all in me mental. But when you back it up, it really drives me crazy. And you know what I'm into. Made me forget what we arguing about.
This is Chris Brown with More Love featuring Nicki Minaj.
Hotel room and we so loud. Higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing 95 with the top down. It might sound crazy, 'cause we be going back and forth for a minute. I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is. Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more. Oh no, I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
Till we get it.
So
We get it right. Till we get it right, we gon' pop.
So we get it.
You say all you need is consistent love. When I try, I swear it's never enough. I messed up. Maybe this thing here just ain't meant for us. Baby, you let go and I'll pull you back. I let go, you ain't having that. We do it like a rock star. Sexing in my hotel room and we so loud. Higher than a smoke cloud.
Coming up on the show today, we speak to the GTA director.
'Cause we be going back and forth for a minute. I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is. Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
So we get it.
I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
Till we get it.
So we get it.
Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
So we get it.
Till we get it.
I'ma get it. Turn up.
Why is it all so complicated?
Coming up on the show today, we speak to the GTA director, regional director of GTA.
You back it up, it really drives me crazy.
Also, we speak to a young man called Sammy. He said he has issues with Papa She.
Doing about it. We do it like a rock star. Sexing in my hotel room.
Upon Checheku, Eddie, entertainment bits ever brain.
Doing 95 with the top down. It might sound crazy, 'cause we be going back and forth for a minute.
And actually, I expect to say Akendik the General Beba Studio Muhane in a Dinkomo.
Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more. Oh no.
Akendik the General dropping new song. The title is Destiny.
So
We get it right, till we get it right, we gon' pop some more. I'ma get it.
So we get it.
Until I'm ready to any Akendik the General Bedinkomo.
He setting up to blow me. Oh, said my Twitter picture, mine and my Naomi. Oh, wanna low, I used to holler at his homie. Oh, fucking now I'm about to ride him like.
So we get it.
You say all you need is consistent love. When I try,
And you might Uche F. Chris Brown featuring Nicki Minaj. And this song was released July 19, 20.
back it up, it really drives
As a third single on his
it up, it really drives
as a third single on his sixth studio album, The X.
Made me forget what we arguing about. We do it like a rock star.
You know, on the US Billboard top 100, and I say the hottest 100 songs. This song was pegged 23 on the list.
Back and forth for a minute. I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is.
You can enjoy this song on all streaming platforms. This is Chris Breezy, Chris Brown.
I'ma get it.
Till we get it.
till we get it right, till we get it right. We gon' pop some more.
So coming up today, we'll be speaking to the GTA director, the regional director for GTA, Mr. Pengbe.
When I die, I swear it's never enough. I must stop. Maybe
I'll speak to Mr. Samuel Nyamiche as well.
maybe you let go and I'll pull you back.
Akendik the General will be passing through the studio. He has a new song titled Destiny.
Sitting in my hotel room and we so loud, higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing.
Upon Checheku will bring you entertainment tidbits. Then we'll bring you the discussion. Today's discussion is going to be hot.
I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is.
We have some new songs from Small God, Sarkodie, and Kofi Kenata coming up today.
Get it. Till we get it. Till we get
So
it.
stay tuned. Don't tune your dial. This is Liberty 92.7 FM. My name is Evans. You can call me KB. I'm here to give you the best.
Why is it all so complicated? Maybe this should be simple. It's all in me mental. But when you back it up, it really drives me crazy. And you know what I'm into. Made me forget what we arguing about. Hey, we do it like a rock star. Sexing in my hotel room and we so loud, higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing 95 with the top down. I might sound crazy, 'cause we be going back and forth for a minute. I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is. Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more. Oh no, I'ma get it. I'ma get it. Till we get it. Till we get it right. Till we get it right. You say all you need is
Sema Akwa Bible Liberty 92.7 FM. We are Liberty Entertainment Review Show.
never enough. I must stop. Maybe this thing here just ain't meant for us. Maybe you let go and I'll pull you back. I let go.
When him say we are streaming live on Facebook and on YouTube. See our into call Facebook. Now search Liberty FM. Who search Liberty FM now? Obet me Ashe and near Koso Ewo Studio. You can leave your message. Wait me, I drop a message. Ewo, yeah, social media handles. So I'm yakin come
Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
Till we get it,
I'ma get it.
I'ma get it.
Till we get it.
Till we get it.
So we are streaming live on Facebook. We are streaming live on YouTube. You can search for Liberty FM on these social media handles.
I'ma get it.
Why is it all so complicated?
Let me send me SMS also on 0551510654.
But when you back it up, it really.
Oh, shout out to people assembly or person catch your door for and person wish you be a happy birthday. Let me send you a message on 0551510654.
Sexing in my hotel room and we so loud, higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing 95 with the top.
In some few minutes, made me call Ponche Cheku no the entertainment bits na brain.
Minute I hate you, then I love you. That's how it is. Till we get it right.
A big shout out to the planning officer for Sevier also Municipal Assembly.
I'ma get
Hey, till we get it.
Till
We get it right.
Suku Darling. Boss, good afternoon.
I'ma get it.
it. Till we get it.
Till we get it.
I'ma get it.
He don't know me, but he's setting up to blow me. Oh, send my Twitter picture, mine and my Naomi. Oh, wanna low, I used to holler at his homie. Oh, fucking now I'm about to ride him like a pony. Yeah, okay. Thug Polly, yo come Polly. He wanna fuck a bad dolly and pop Molly. I hope your pockets got a motherfucking pot belly. Or is it that you never bow? John Sally, he had the rose in the.
It's coming up on the show today. You better share in Sambia ACC Ewo entertainment industry. Nimuna. Near Sini say Papa Shi, Evangelist Papa Shi. Akoye asore ama Charles Kojo Fosu Daddy Lumba ne ire mami akosua sewa na yebeka ehun sem bebre.
Till we get it right, we gon' pop some more.
Till we get it. I'ma get it. Till we get it.
You say all you need is consistent love. When I die, I swear it's never.
Na actor nana ye boa essay ya osapon 1 week celebration na omudi ye no fair ana say ankofo by don by send Daddy Lumba de no mo Daddy Lumba ye no mo ye no.
Room when we so loud, higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing 95.
Entina sina me kan no Ghana for ebu efu ana so ma react to Papa Shi any team legal wife 3 days crusade no moyama akosua sewa no.
We gon' pop some more.
So we get it.
I'ma get it.
And a Ghana Tourism Authority GTA mpanyinfo nso say omuni iyoko eba be year collaboration na illegal travel and tour agencies omaba Ghana hanom no omo eni omo adiniye pa.
Maybe this should be simple.
Rapper kwa kese nso say obeto vote and as buying votes makes awards meaningless.
And you know what I'm into. Need me forget what we arguing about. Hey, we do it like a rock.
And I tear for nso be kaya a week ago and I yenya ntie say Russia ni bi ba Ghana hana oni ye mane ebedi agropa na gender ministry any communication ministry are releasing details for this Russian sex predator. You be say a good move na.
Some more. Oh no. I'ma get it. Till we get it. Till we get it right. Till we get it right.
There's more coming up on the show today on 92.7 FM Liberty.
So we get it.
Till we get it.
He don't know me, but he's setting up to blow me. Oh,
The Media Utie Liberty Entertainment Review Show.
used to holler at his homie. Oh, fucking now I'm about to ride him like a pony. Yeah, okay.
Into the any regional director of Ghana Tourism Authority, Mr. Kwengbe, owo Sefimemu Hanase regional capital have been come on GTA initiative no modi abano.
Don't want a good girl, not hoes, it's a choice. Stick on 8.
Then Mr. Samuel Nyame chance we din come concerning Papa She ni 3 days crusade na on team legal wife yama akosua sewa no.
Celine, could I be your wife? Now we got banged up. I got these niggas with
It is consistent love. When I die, I swear it's never enough. I messed up. Maybe this thing here just ain't meant for us. Baby, you let go and I'll pull you back. I let go, you ain't having that. We do it like a rock star. Sexing in my hotel room and we so loud. Higher than a smoke cloud. Shades on doing nothing for
Inti senior medical immunity and make us say any Akendik the general ebedi inkomo ewo efidue mu ha say na wabetena se dada inti enche bia oponche chekudi entertainment betini breya yene Akendik the general bedi inkomo.
I'ma get it.
till we get it.
So we
Inti say onim say Akendik the general drop a new song I friend Destiny na Destiny a very nice song inti say how tie ya obetimi akọ the streaming platforms and wetimi akọ stream Destiny CCR.
Why is it all so complicated? Maybe this should be simple. It's telling me mental. But when you back it up, it really drives me crazy. And you know what I'm into. Made me forget what we arguing about. Hey, we do it like a rock star. Sexing in my hotel room and we so loud. Higher than a smoke cloud.
Inti no senior mesika no big shout out to Mr. Agri and as a Suku the darling planning officer for Sewe also municipal assembly. Na my chairman colleague say was Sewe also municipal assembly nyina.
We gon' pop some more. Oh no. I'm a
Big shout out to Mr. Michael JNP principal for Sewe also municipal Sewe also nursing midwifery training college.
I'ma get it.
so we get it.
Till we get it.
He don't know me, but he's setting up to blow me. Oh,
And my name is Evans, you can call me KB. Stay tuned, we'll bring you more.
fucking now I'm about to ride him like a pony. Yeah, okay. The Polly, yo come Polly. He wanna fuck a bad dolly and pop Molly. I hope your pockets got a motherfucking pot belly. Or is it that you never bow? John Sally, he had the rose in the voice, the tone.
Upon Jeku.
Opengaze.
Udem.
Midem.
Udem.
Midem.
Ubetimi akasa. Na den eko.
Oh. Say mpomwana.
Mpo bibia.
Say be America no me ho odin say tutu nimpa. Yeah.
Ade ota akohana.
The last time we say ame. Me say metete me nko hoda metete.
Ase ne osika asemi de ase ne
Debi
frequenting ho.
Nkomo na obi ni kire me.
Sa enti unya obeko.
De pacho debi. Empani mo bi wo fie.
Sa enti ombeba.
Pacho say.
Ombeba.
Me na me da so. Oh, I don't hear you.
Sir, Bibi Akoyi.
Bibi Adedi. Tax na ni etua. Say the utua no. What's the utua tax pa?
Upon Chicheku.
Your penny gets here.
Never bo ha. What tax cancer na no mama nya say.
Some new no.
Because me no.
Na tax e boniana. Are you not patriotic? Are you not patriotic?
Nyabotre. Answer na me salary beba. Na ya te dada.
Ah okay. Apart from that, no, the won't you indirect tax be anywhere with you. Would any direct
tax?
But me to me no indirect and direct in emitua.
Ayama. Yami show. So ada cost. Yami be actually. So ada cost.
Okay.
Intiatie for utie na say opese nsema ye ba be kan. Opese okan bibi efa ho anase opese uma obi shout out anase wish obi a happy birthday a betimi asene yen SMS aba 0551 510654 0551 510654 obetimi asene yen SMS na makinka ma e wo show no so so opese obese me friend nipa na odi ni birthday na me ka bibi sweet bi nchire ne there you can just send us the number na my friend live on the radio na ye ni na di nkomo 0551 510654 so you can drop your messages right here on 92.7 FM na Valentine odi ni say obi chewa ade wo che obi ade anase yete wakuma just let me know 0551 510654 upon
guys here
and then eko
on some day dosu
sir
say the American na dey chine for yantia semana say under crank and na dey anchi bank
drop the fire me
to aso na me di kan no kwa kese aso na me ko abrante de okanya say ono no dachi bia so onye ska nyame to ne se no onye ska politics no de ho bajim no won ko bia say ne kru magona so adru
or call parliament
no say dachi bia nyame to ne se na say onye ska dia wo de politics no de ho bajim
na say or call parliament no
bibi sa say the A+ here no enti e bia
nice
na de tosu ni na say de diso ni daddy lumba ye papa ye ofa nyame ya to ne sa afre no na ni wo chi de ensem ne de say kutu say bam
enye easy
na eye ne anti na ega say o se daddy lumba eye ne saman se wo hunhunu o mu ani o mo da o mo na ti daddy lumba saman de bitimi aka say saman twenchen o konso onkoi
sa
ti atete pa de daddy lumba na anti na ekan o se ti a wotete o mo de enya asam kutua ambaba wa bi wo Nigeria ye friend Simisola Kosoku oya nyumtuni
okay
na hotedi nyana ni stage name esimi ye waka nyina se wo ye bema na se wotomo na ye nka straight you mi fa matwi mu ana ye nyu hwe o maba o hwe o maba ye nyi
oh okay
ai ye bia yensan hyew sa na baba wa neka oso ko Nigeria ne ma emrante ne ne eni etan nti on de waka no na me koso no aye Jamaican artist the friend Popcan waba Ghana ba Ghana no de abrante no wato adi okopie mo Central Region okọ no mo no yesi ni koso ohene koso ohene oboka ero me hu bi da enti ni se de waba Ghana Popcan oyo ohene na din e de ma no Nana Ako Kesi the first eni din a Central Region omode ma no enti Popcan Nigeria kwa no mre bi obi kan bi chemse okọ Nigeria Ghana fo ni go anasa akanfo ni go
oh sir
history ni wa wose edin Jamaica ni chese
ye jaka
ye Jamaica before na US for ye kugu ho no mo we dey say yaka inti Jamaica ni Jamaica
US for the before kugu Britain ka home in
Israel for nzama mu na
that be slave trade no Italians ka home Portuguese ka home Dutch for ka
bae memu ade mba say Portuguese ne British ne bae
okay
ti omo na de kugu
okay
enom ka say Jamaica na dan Jamaica
okay
sa no bi ka say no credit amede minim mizumi akabi na musica musician of Ghana
okay
omo anya ade
aden
ye nua be ma ye papa ye wofa ye osapon last week Thursday at Wednesday and ye di ni 1 week okumase abrepo omko bonsan ni wie no a kire nsem no say pinso 500 Ghana cedis and omko bonsan aye musical president Bessa Simons papa no di edimu aye 500 cedis no ko bonsan then Ghana for atu na no manu cedis so any left right no watch nti wajibi pa
na ko person o ma sen
musica Ghana for anyutufo nyina mukuo
na ko o ma sen
Ghana anyutufo ni momo bebrebe uncountable
nti o ma
royalties ni ho ahwan gam chese anyasem kutoa na 500 1 million 5 openi
se ni o mo wona o de
prophet Kofi Oduro na ka say tie bandi ono asemba na so wanka bi de na se wono no asem na makra nka ye
o se den
Russia ni abranti obepi mo Ghana yi atodwe de wabobi maba wa no wabobi atodwe pa
jumande wa ye
yes emu awarefo ya allege ana anya allege metriaka
we de anya allege
se video ho
we de wabo adwuma
de wapani kan nyina se Ghana for maba wa no titie pa ne titie omu ni bi se bi omu ma me no papa wan titie omu se gomu wan titie a enkasa eyinkomu nkotom se afidie nkomu nkotom
no kre
ya oso omu ni titie de so fo ne kan wakawi na when the shades papa to wase asema nya motre maba wa ne omu mfum so ye nananom ye nananom ka ho bi
nananom ye den
ti obo ase when the shades ye nananom ka ho bi efise ye wo ye no ana ye nyinyini no uhu broni a se ohu nyame
okay
enti uhu broni a se yese ukope nyankopon ahwe no na ukohia broni a san nyankopon na wahia no no pa jo tire mitiro enti we di shese ema no yesusu blame wo mo nenye omo a
okay
esanse yenyini no ye de ahye etrim se broni bibia e papa enti mayo no mo hu broni ni de se omo to odi omo ko Russia omo nya visa ai omo nya visa na de me di twa to no ababa abranti efe ni Yaosiki ona ka sei
musician no
yeah na say no onye wiase ni min kan say ya ni si wiase no me nim wiase nyom me kan nyom anyansa wum
okay
yeah wiase nyom ni ho
okay
what you say na abranti me twem no e rapper
yeah
obo nyom wo pedodo
yeah
they say no wababa yesofu
okay
ye wakanya say ono no royalties e fa sa na nyom no won pe
okay
ai nti say eye gambro for friends so meje royalty bi fa sa na nyom no ho a omonfa ompe this is wababa yesofu nti na say die me di si form no
okay This is how we do it. Upon you come me da se say the entertainment better brain. Na answer na me sha say no make say na ye ne Akendic the general ebedi enkomo e wo fidie mu ha say na Kendrick the General abetena se nene yamfa hot issues ambremo nti next week ni there na me aduma ye de beba ye prepare ni na ye de ni na beba hot nti Kendrick the General abetena se ewa ha Into which we are sending SMS about 0551 510654 0551 510654. Menya message bi ewa hase na mame enkinkan mamu. Also big shout out to Yao Escobar inside Sahibekwai aka Celebrity Ness. Pauncha send a message na mudin aka honum na ya kani na aka ho. Into betimi asend SMS about 0551 510654 0551 510654 betimi asend SMS na yeah waste much time no. Kendrick I ready I was studio mu ha nti yeah no ebedi nkomo. Kendrick what's up, my guy?
Blessings on blessings. Yeah, man.
Everything cool?
Yeah, everything blessed, you know. Just stress na what you manage, but once you do manage, it's a paupa.
Sir.
Yeah, now say studio na you try you na it's say, and I say be a year do my any secretly, you know. I'm on phone who the enco, and I say you na about my the more to be. But me before say be ka kasaba me chair for na me ya dey me sambo about so cause right now about entertainment show ne reviewed and everything, you know, about the entertainment, you know. Right now you dey run am and I don't want, you know.
Let me start do keep.
Yeah man, you know say you say we can say Paula man them.
O change come for.
Sounds when the music and so here you will be more on be quite. Because there's on be PV way ma afofro. You dey can be ye be move here then have you overtaking so you allowed. So big up yourself, man. I just want to big you up. You know?
Thank you, my guy. Thank you, my guy. Yentiwi.
Tambona in the Kamba, no message for your doctor. Abrabo the teacher, plenty lessons he got the teacher. Ilinya mienti enzuro, boya mafanu ntiminjujo. Boa habole ngondombo, bewa mabogende mimbulo. Bewa mede mokaso, meso nimbaso ti bechimbeto. Well, na menatitano so, ina nida so, raya merekoso. Well, bewa no mune ile, teta no tili ile. Aro beye, na yesa ye beye. Baye de, baye de, baye de, baye de. Bewa maye he, maye sa, maye he, maye sa, maye he. Baye de, ye bewa sa. Baye de, baye de, baye de, baye de, baye de. Baye de. Oye befe soma, abuda ye befe soma. Oye befe soma, jealousy ye befe soma. Oye befe soma, tita tita ye be first summer. Oh ye be first summer. Inze kure ye be first summer. Eliminati boy ye ese chimi do mane mayonzu. Ye mahanda dache ofa mi dwemboko mama Yesu.
And you might would free a candidate the general house by a day.
Go soon, your fanga kanga, the church ye go to.
So when you might with you, how bet me call the streaming platforms now I could tell you, and also bet me call download it.
Now, yes, I am by a day.
Okay, this one is coming from Wilberforce Jabin inside Oda Diemra. Say happy birthday to my lovely wife Esther Mensah inside Tanoso. And Esther Mensah our Tanoso. Wilberforce Jabin say I wish you a very happy birthday or say happy birthday to my lovely wife inside Oda Diemra. Akanek.
Yeah, man.
Charlie.
Wagwan.
Then they over.
Fully active, you know. You about you man 19 and I'm what I say. Shada pull you up behind I say. Me hold say me dingo be there, you know, say be the
yeah, something there.
Yeah, also know. Oh yeah, brother, oh mama, it's about the Destiny song I'ma drop it.
Okay.
This year, this is my first song I dropped, you know, but I featured one of my boys, you understand, Heavy Boy.
Come closer to the mic.
Yeah. So, me Harry idea and yeah, Bonnie, I am my first project I'm dropping a few, and I say me to me the buffy. So if you can see me now, I can say a T4 and other phones over there, beat my team, you know, on my streaming or platforms, you know. Until I buy, menu and until I buy.
Yeah, but that song need there's and one drop and can me drop on you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pressure na no the man na no day.
Yeah, one drop song na can me yamo.
Cause anyone na kasa kwa no yes me drop it Wotisu na na my first song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na kwanya titles no way.
Me producer no anti sehwe. What you say? Or no say me to sehwe no more cause me say okay, but yes sehwe adwuma na wi nti o say me a blend me star anyway, but ono so me na cool go. Nti ono che me say na Rasta session or something some melodies be what you say the panel session no kwano tia when say oh ka baby and I will send this a message be across so no puno me one day at the studio na me chire other guys say challenge me I don't want do my dance over me producer so change na me session so you know say session dey ma dey am yankasa me ya me for say me intro and I say bia me kwhye baby say mpese me dey baye dey ni o ma course was street there so any o ma can say your form or abrabomu and life, you know, real life story. And I'm kasana me preaching right now. All my music in him. It is also way back a kindeka. And I'm dropping you bit say high grade money, some title be. But right now, no, me spread some message, you know, across, you know, across through the music. So right now, no, baye day, oshe baye day. Me sounds so belaka. Me sounds so sikati moja. Me de so ba otiso, otiasie. So the title ne de. Somewhere along a be me told you na me drew chorus na I was okay. That be the catchy vibe I was me the more. Na my day me the title you man. So that basically that be how it you know.
Okay. Because my process was switch from the usual hot dancehall kind of thing and slow.
So because I'm a producer no. No feel this vibe no. And I'm so ankasa kra person represent me sehwe yeah cause sehwe no me ya who say me ka say me intro sa ba ye dey bella ka me intro what you say cause e mess
okay
DJ Bomb, yeah, them over. Say to them a ball up, me name like Shabba. That's all I'm eating, they have fuss and rubber. Boy, them a black, say them a bad, them no bother. Bumbo clat. The original style, more than your dada. Mumpaki munku kunkaka, a pena maba. A mono town will be best way you tear rubber. MDK be some mama, ya than your mother. Put Pussy, none of them are ready, all of them are dead already. Boss a shot inna them head and up inna them belly. Boy violate him, I go turned up it. Me send them home to the cemetery. Me not inna them and libby labba bag of money me a pre. Always me a take the paper, tell the funny man me not inna them a drama right now me a the baddest in the hood.
Mad. Let's take it from the top. Let's take it from the top.
All right then, brother.
Let's take it from the top. Let's go.
Get me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Sexy get them a ball out, me name like Shabba. Dance a lot, me tell me not fuss any raga. Boy, them a racks, say them a bad, them no bother. Bumbo clad. And me say them trend make some boy them follow. Full of energy, me battery never go low. And you nothing, me not beg, me not borrow. I saw that thing go, watch out now. I raised a boy, check me out in the studio. Yeah, me out again, me representing the ghetto. Me name on the pulse, so them can't do me a fuku. Tough shatter, man, not tough shatter. Where your original style, money in the head that down. Me back you home, kuku kaka. I feel a baba. I'm on no chan, who be best in me get tear rubber. MDK be some mommy and they your mother. Pussy, none of them are ready, all of them are dead already. Boss a shot in the head, they look in the belly. Boy violate him, I go turned up it. Send them home to the cemetery. Me na inna them a libby labba bag of money. Me a pre always me a chase the people. Tell them body man them. Me na inna them a drama right now. Me a the body send a ute sin a Ghana watch you now. Them not ready, them too chatty. Some boy batty so me a go kill the ratty. Bumbo clat, yeah. Yes, I don't know say what the part is that yeah, I am in China, man, that you get me slow. My Chimama and Nanya Kwame Bowo, my Wichibi near Lera, my Wichebe through, my Chibi and Grava, my Wichebe Bunku.
Mad.
You know, say around the thing down here.
Charlie. Let's go last one. Let's go last one. Let's go last one.
All right.
Let's start from the top. Let's go last one.
Watch out.
Get me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Yeah, them lover. Sexy get them a ball out. Me name like Shabba. Dance all me tin. Me not fuss and raga. Boy, them a brax, them a bad. Them no bother. Bumbo class. Me a the gear them lover. Sexy get them a ball out. Me name like Shabba. Dance all me tin. Me not fuss and raga. Boy, them a brax, them a bad. Them no bother. Bumbo class. I me say the trend make some boy them follow. Full of energy.
Wait. You do what?
I say the trend make some boy follow. I mean, you know, full of energy. My battery never go low. Me buy me one a thing and I beg me na borrow so the thing go.
Charlie.
Watch out now. Arrest a boy. Check me out in the studio. Get me out again. Me representing the ghetto. Me name and no pulse so them can't do me a fucko. Bumbo clat. Original style, body and the head that paki kukun kaka. I feel a maba. I'm on no chan who be best ever yet here rubber. MDK be some mommy than your mother. None of them are ready, all of them are dead already. Boss a shot in at them head and up in at them belly. Why violate him, I go turned up it. Send them home to the cemetery. Me na inna them a libby labba bag of money. Me a pre always be a chase the people. Tell the funny man them me na inna them a drama right now. Me a the body send a ute sin a Ghana watch out. Them not ready.
Mad. Charlie. You say me talk something say it be you they do
me said the trend make some boy them follow me
boy very no.
Oh, all of them man, all of them know say me are the teacher. For me sit down and chat, all of the artists them for me sit down and chat, them know say me is the teacher. Them boss first, but them know say me are the leader still. And them a learn from me. Them still accolade me and all say, oh, them say, oh, King, you are the baddest. And from your time come, the whole world are gonna know say, oh. And one thing me want to tell the people them, I want to make the masses know say, I'm not just a fiction or me just a chat the lingo and I me tune them man. I read part where we are chat on the street man. From what time come, a boy them, Shatawale them are gonna know. Say Cocoa City boss, I come, you know, big up yourself, man.
I can't do the genre. Obviously, you are too controversial.
I'm not controversial, I'm too confident, you know.
So that means there's a difference between controversy, being a controversial
thing they are so, and me always I love the controversy, you know, because
it's a part of the business. It's a Kajuma and I'm a member of it with us.
I Brefina.
I said, they are a Kajuma won't say, I was saying to me, can't be a found artist in the country and found the other say, oh, yeah, dead artist, you know. So every time they for try and make sure say they talk something about you, positive, negative, they sell. We do inside for the fame, for the shame, anything, you understand?
Okay. I can take the general our studio. I to bet me send a SMS about 0551 510654 0551 510654. More assembly officer bisa I can take the general bet me forward the about my yakin kind. Maybe say I can take the general officer born about so so obet me afre 0 obet me as send SMS sorry 0551 510654 with me as send SMS na yakin kind more. Now Akendik, last week Saturday, Sunday.
KB, asem na baby sa me ma on bi sa asem na me ameka.
Da bi nyabotre.
Me ameka, me ni ma asem na baby sa.
Me na ni ma asem ma baby sa.
Say me spiritually.
Da bi last week Saturday. A group of artists Western North Hana say Sefi Hanom perform me kwamna show na say.
Yeah man.
How was the feeling like sharing the same stage with a legend kwamna?
No, it's a big privilege, you know. Yeah, I really appreciate the platform, you know, given to the artists then to showcase their, you know, talent and their craft to the world and to the masses, you know. But my idea, me bomb about so course and you'll be on a bed then. Yeah, a bit my inviting the class or me then or me performing. So organizers next why I say up so I just didn't want to big them up, but artists next we also performing nice. I enjoyed everybody's performance, you know, from Corbin Lighter, Kojo Luda, then and say Kojo Flash and so by after me. So let me say nice show. Yeah, there'll be nice show to watch, you know. I really enjoyed every show, everybody's performance.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Me feel will be a performance and manage will be a performance and yeah. Kojo Luda say ho Kojo Flash and so be say ho me so be peche ho Light and so say ho. So big up Jassy then the whole media, the production team put it up such, you know. Amazing show.
But I would try say over link up with Kwabna after the show.
Right now then I can't dig first and then I may try to make chase, you know. But right now I know the chase they attract. So
how?
Yeah, we say make a choice.
No, wait. Obi to say Kwabna a big artist.
Huge
so
artist.
Why would you say you wouldn't chase an artist like Kwabna?
Yeah, we say right now me fully focused on my craft and all. Me jidi say me chena and I mean then keep up opportunities nene o my baby. But me when say this year me focus na me PR na me boy dwumaden ya kwabra be hu me. That could be.
So you want to work on yourself before?
Fully focused on the craft right now. Cause me the EP but dance or EP. Me dropping it somewhere July. Full dance or yeah. So when I me first me dwumaden na artist akese no o recognize me. No more to me sending me invitations, no more sending me no to me attract sa energies no. Se me ka se me chesi abre. What you say? Se stumbo aba I chesi ya nkosiaga. But yeah, tena ya attract.
Okay.
So we be right now in chesi bibia and no say yeah adwuma na send the message no. Message into nearby in me purpose or music in me music for almost my yes for almost 15 years. I go 15 years for underground. I name the me penyum na me to be. But Casper right now we get the music spirit. We know what we do. We know how we for touch sending message now across. And yet for the fame then the money alone at the right time, the money then everything will come. So if I start to chase people, you understand? Yeah, my blessings, that will be my path right now. I they respect them, my craft, then whatever they do, they be big. I go we say one day we go work, but they know me now. Yeah.
Okay. I was Namo program Nase. I observed some things that many and I think this thing is going on for far too long. And most of you guys, any little thing piano, then you want to get back at organizers or even MCs for the event. Look, as an artist, say about 2 minutes. That 2 minutes, it's your trump card, and I say it's your destiny opener.
Sure.
You have to show to whoever is watching you, say you are good, you can do it. It doesn't matter the number of songs you perform. You may perform 20 songs and so I'm making impact there. But one back open or be performing, it will be very impactful. Nti Saturday see now, I saw you having back and forth with Chata Desmond. It was so wrong. I was very, very disappointed. Oba I'm in chamber complaining, say I can't take I can't. I'm saying no. Hold on, I'm coming teasing. He say me cry me be. We organize it battle amamo.
And this I want say and fish at Desmond for too.
Okay.
I actually for no more kasa good.
Me na me ka ho.
Ba me ba. Won say.
Listen, wait, mama. Me na me ka ho. Me ka say time no so. At that time, Kamna was already there. And I me ka say time ni so. And I don't know who gave you what conversation you had.
Same way kasa kusi baba me mbone to fan.
Okay.
Now I was say once organizers know me a day before show no more hit me up say me pass through I send the flyers pictures for flyers.
And you wanna reach out?
Never reach out to anybody. Empire will share me say me then me reach out my test kwabra na me say I no dey chase anymore. I'm not fun to say.
Okay.
Cause me hit ya bra obi be say my hit. What you say? Me hit obi be try so on be adwuma.
Okay.
What you say? So I didn't know say me coach chase. But then me catch and say I met try say me ba manye. And day before show na sambu send every cast me send the pictures. And who say Jason so the or your big brother what you say. So no kasa ma only pass and the me was say meet me accepting invitation no. Inti me accept it. Inti I was say manti obi anka bi o te was say about 12:31 o'clock me wo fi won say me ben ho no. Se nka me hotel na be side nka me pull up on them ba me wo fi nti na me twen say meta te o mo call say uchale wo be call 12 wo be ba 1 the coordination na nko yi nti me no already no kra no mambo bi eku mambo kushoku mambo bali mambo ngongonza mambo nyum be 5,000 but just say na me say Valentine show nti me bo asiba yede nti me catch mo say yo ma me bo ba yede to videos na me ka perform ba yede me bo ba yede am nko ba na nyum be bri wo ha.
How many minutes were you given?
I wasn't told. So,
how many songs were you supposed to perform?
That be the thing make a choice say yan kasa nchire mi o. Nti me Empire no ye DJ no. Bisa na nyoma me send na nyom be ye 10. Nti me performance me bodru mambo ba what you say na me choice mambo bieku, mambo bali, mambo ngongonza, mambo kushuk, mambo what you say nti anyum bebere ho mambo mpo na me ma say wo nim say na tie. Until at least me perform by day cause me by say me be promoting me so me home for my new craft what you say so I say what by day no what you say so then na me say o mama me hwe me bo by day na me wia me bo by day am enko until me freestyle do baby answer na drop nyom until we me video no wo clear later me show me shut up ke na me sere na me ne sere but later na me say mambo by day am enko still no mo bo nyom no nti ba ye dey saying ba me wie ko artist abe perform e bonyoma ma MC be ye dey answer na kobla na ba nti me 1 minute 2 minutes no and I want to say enye me this do be my first time me call amewuga show me to high grade na I was a DJ di tumu no ombo me nti ase enye first time enye second time nti na show no this year mamba no cause me ba be se me to
show ben amewuga show no
yeah nti na man si wo no
come invite you.
Baba, so every year we are in the same invite. I know go me throw to Facebook on the 4th of December say artist be our free show be a na kabia no. Ono a obono ono na nkasa
na kwabra show no muchi aka.
Kwabra show no. That matter there once as still no me pese the respect I get for Jassy. I know say
out of respect into our course I show no.
Then the respect then I know say business wise and so.
No, the question is out of respect of course I show no.
It be business then the love.
So you have a better trade kind of business with him.
Evans offer me so offer me say 6th match you sure with the respect in the relationship on the beba first. And sana nkomodi bi wo chira head ye deep wo chiri and then say minimum you no ntemasem.
So that means that Meuga show no that didn't happen.
Ebi see that na me ko toto antade e megina show so kunkum fa me energy na me wi amasakoda
I say
you been so akobo show.
Oh, tap into the fan base.
Ono de tap ono na be gene shan akọ wo de tap den. Le lamo na be perform you. Le lamo ne ayi hwe wo betima perform wo. Obema different boys exposure wa ha. Enye wo na oba wo be hwe yakọ.
Okay, the issue with say DJ Mo Wonyum no. Adentina you said you've done this for 15 years. Adentina almost 15 years. Adentina wo kwa ompe with DJ na on nenko. Say wo do DJ koy and I be be too ni cable. Then you have something to say.
When you say Empire one. Empire, this is my last time I mean Empire enye adwuma bi o me kan wo
Otherwise dey.
Empire you be every time be me ko stage be no. Ono di kan hit me up. Say Charlie send o show be for my lulu ni na na senior say meet my videos actual Empire show be me ka say Bob Bayeda makobonyo foforo. Even though my sending nyum na sending you be o Empire for me up time be show we say me sending nyum ne man bibia nim. And so senior me o send video be me say Bob Bayeda no akobo no foforo. I know what they can almost they fuck me off for
No, don't use the F word. Don't use the word F word. But the issue is I've managed artists before. And I know how coordination works. Or Nipa, he can make mistakes. A lot of things could happen within that space. You wouldn't know what is going on at the back. So I expect you as an artist to go with a team. Then you instruct your team, say, Jina DJ Ninche. Mostly, many time I manage Kojo, I stand by the DJ. Even though the DJ, DJ, I didn't call, but I always stand there and direct the songs to play. So I expect you. I expect you. As you came here with your team, you could have gotten one of them.
So you know, so when you say I'm combo, you know, but you didn't combo. Up and down, I catch and say, "Ombo, some chumano." Come on, bo.
Nyabotre. It won't say Obi. Ewo ninche e ka chen se bo nti senka wo team member bi gina ninche
last year the year no station hono me say last year me saka pepsora o ka chen se na bo high grade Charlie make up the
I can't everybody says you are too controversial almost say ope dodo ope controversy dodo nti ama say obi ya dia ma na so ye mistake akra bia now then you take the thing out of proportion.
Senior me before I go out then it no be first time or meet my show I show me answer if you commit my show by 9 nti be ka say me from fula we ka say me ko me nim dey me what you say but later one na me
say me cry what dey say me
ko me meet me dey so
what dey say me so many times
wait about this the way our boss me now you know say oh Evans you know say you the industry inside we didn't internet first na me chase you say then enya adwuma baby no even so baba me chance akendik we dey one work make we work or something I dey tell
me giant artist man
me ya wear baby no say work no right now you dey call yanim you be do baby say one kasa be say Charlie Rasta my man run away now yeah we say busy
but I'm always helping
I know say you be one somebody we really dey part of me I won't part of me team I boa me what you say already so me I go into my car say enya adwuma but right now me say no be bra here so just chill yeah the adwuma ne be do baby e be yakono e be ye fe o be kasa Rasta enya de so we dey attract you know the chase
500,000 brand enya adwuma
the audition go flat
oh no the 500,000 no we reinvest it into you me fast card but me pese e be do echi na ekodu baby na afini I stack so put the money on the table and let's do it
so me I be street hustler as once what me who say me pay 500,000 brand means when me say say me pay 50k ne ba beti me the bibia man fa so aba so ntu pa me you know data we yen konko loan me fam push destiny nko an me fam push say fa me no me ni a che do no
why na kwa loan why na kwa loan no but you be the artist if you get a career
I get them I go do all the dirty works just plug me for my back
that
be the only thing straight up
I think you need to apologize to Shatta.
Shatta the meaning who say later
no T you don't embarrass somebody publicly and go and apologize behind the scene me here.
Listen,
you don't do that. No. On a more serious note, you don't say I feel you. But on a more serious note, you don't embarrass somebody.
I will post them for TikTok, for Facebook.
Yeah, you don't do that. You don't do that in public for everybody to see. And then behind the scene, you go to the person and say, Charlie, no.
I compare it. Until say no, cause me publicly no. Say me here in the first no. Me sense why yes I pepe. Cause Shatta this month you will be you know. And you want me to punch the man no?
Why?
Na Saturday.
Why now to punch?
Na Saturday wa MBB ama ko me na is ya reconcile intimate Samson ko MBB bio.
It's why now on the 2 points na man.
Oh, you're bad man.
No, why?
You're bad man.
Why?
The para no jam ka say video no.
Ma me ni mo bia bo ni pa ni din.
Video ni be show.
Why?
Tam na so pa mono pa.
Why?
That person. They tell you the video there is trap. When our video no.
Dabi me wona me bisa why?
Oh,
why?
Na hu hia music no destiny tini wa yembo destiny no mo. Oh, Nana, everything that they talk no be say my veteran na bia make kasa. Ewomo, the boy in the sabotage be I don't know what they do. But me I go voice out. Me function. What you say that
Sugar put food for my table.
This is Destiny from Akendek the General. This is a very beautiful song. Just enjoy it.
Ready to go, walk alive by my mind to go. Sugar put food for my table. Early morning, sun never show. Legs on my feet, I ready to go. Walk alive, but my mind too good. Hope for my chest, but my heart too good. If destiny sleep, I go wake up. No, they hope, man, I stand up. Street no soft, you know they show love, but I still they move, I don't give up. Bills they shout, the best they blue. Every promise, not just by the book. I let my pain out, cool, come well. From all this fire, I'm access, hello. Bills they shout, the best they look. Every promise, not just by the book. Any pain, and cool, come well. From all this fire, I'm access, hello. If I no go walk, who go put food for my table? If I know who go carry my tomorrow? If I know go walk, who go put food for my table? If I know who go carry my tomorrow? Mango wa yoko hoko mamio, ambra sikani wa yoko fako mamio, sana miala. Nia inebia wa yoko bokamio, inesikana wa yoko fako mamio, sana miala. Well, me penache mi Bugatti, Toyota ne Honda. Egwe biala bongo dropi biala banga. Iti mi nyigya so no so biala me de minna. Mi chesi CD, mi chesi pounds, chesi dollar. For me wake up in the morning, me give thanks and praise. Roll up me, wash up me face. Step out the road, you know say money me have to chase member. Me not joking a bad man place. Yana ya me say me bossy kadam. O brand na from na yatam. Bindi sika chinto me krama bon sam resik. Inti na mana me nam. If I no go walk, who go put food for my table? If I no move, who go carry my tomorrow? If I no go walk, who go put food for my table? If I no move,
I can't take you verse ni bi. You take you verse.
Wayoko bokamio, inesika na wayoko fako mamio, sana miala. Nia, me penache mi Bugatti, Toyota ne Honda. Egwe biala bongo dropi biala banga. Iti mi nyigya so no so biala me de minna. Mi chesi CD, mi chesi pounds, mi chesi dollar. For me wake up in the morning, me give thanks and praise. Roll up me ganja, wash up me face. Step out the road, you know say money me have to chase member. Me not joking a bad man place. Yana ya me say me bossy kada. O brand na from na yata. Mindi sika chinto me krama bon sam resika suma me inti na mana me nam. If I go put food for my table. If I go carry my tomorrow. If I know who go put food for my table. If I know who go carry my tomorrow. If I know who go put food for my table. If I know who go carry my tomorrow. If I know who go put food for my table. If I know who go carry my tomorrow. Mangwa wa yoko hoko
mamio mambra sikani ya wayoko fako mamio sana miala sana miala ya nia inebia wayoko bukamio inesikana wayoko penako mamio sana miala sana miala. Well, me puna chemi Bugatti, Toyota ni Honda. Again biala bongo dropi biala banga. Iti mini gaso no so biala medemin. Me chesi CD, me chesi pounds, me chesi dollar. For me wake up in the morning, me give thanks and praise. Roll up me hand, wash up me face. Step out the road, you know say money me have to chase. Member, me not joking a bad man place. Yana ya me say me bossy kadam or brand enough from nayatam. Me nisi catching to me grandma bon some shesi kaso mami intina mona me nam well bad. Ubeti me a phrase 0322296342 0322296342 akande ke wo studio ha opese o kan bibi kire na ubeti me aka kire no opese o hye ne crown so ubeti me opese o bisa no questions so a ubeti me a phrase na waka bibi a kire akande briefly answer na ya to adwuma die so 0322296342 0536304072 obi aba. Hello, good afternoon. Mbacha odini baby akase free. Hey, big man, afọ mi wako there.
Me pache nyame adum bibi aboko na so.
Me hoye pa, akande kwa ha, obese oka bibi chena na.
Ewe wa boy ma.
Me da se, me dia.
Na nchira. Anchi akande nso. Obo aduma.
Okay.
Media or ya me fans pa ba to ni me dia.
Ana we ya insha bia obia me ada pa.
Na one thing is say. Shen ya shata. One so bia na shata umu ade no sei. Ebi azu no kan okura na obobo ajuna ezi umu ade. Shata bu ade pa. Omo beno asamaja mo ni ku school no mo beno no. When the shame when you are so moving one dance or industry, but outside in India, so obey and you can a solid be clear. But you'll be more and change almost who are the bomb of Jumano. Now, Miss Rakin, then so there, that you know, you know, baby, or Sam and Macono, in this one on a couple because, ocean and 90 years, and ye baby, and said, what didn't rule as or one fan who is safety and kakra me catch no.
Okay,
no more Juma.
Okay. Thank you so much for calling. And to also bet me on Fraser 0322296342 0536304072 0322296342 0536304072 to bet me our friend or send me up a so cash I can make an answer so 24. You can do that right here on the show. I can make what's the motivation behind the song?
Hustlers, no, make a hustlers.
Okay, my main fat caller we will have. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mbacha udini maybe akase free.
Mbacha me free at the town.
Mbacha my name to you. Okay, my name to you, boss. Mbacha also be answer day.
Free.
Oh, free jina say hey ya.
Where is we need bong.
Mbacha ne.
I mean share.
You.
On some people no ya na say you no. Dia ya nyabo afu. You dey e bompa e omo en sa ko bi no yo mo modern sam ba fra no.
You.
Ndi na o de ba no.
Okay.
Okay.
You, but that's okay. Okay, you. Yes, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for calling.
also bet me after 032229634205363040720322296342 so bet me after na yeni akande can we wo Inti akande now you were saying something
we has so be on say on pass or ya one call you ma obi anko ma obi go it was so herself on your by own what you say so timi ankasa herself cause adechina se wa nkwa untimi ni di untimi nto untimi nya bibia otiase nti oso bia eden obi oye adwuma bia me di mo enwum motivate no se ne oye na adwuma na otie na ehye ne nkura na tem bia otokoso na oye den opiska na mo ye den mo famra ye concept na mo fantie nyum na mo fanye yomapa so enwum ne de me di share hustler bia nkura obi bia da oye okosori ko na adwuma bia de oye bia onsa ko wa no bia no utie nyum ya ebesa rise spirit aye den asanso ama more motivation e boost spirit na de aye den wadwuma oye bia.
Okay, mami fa call we wo manos. Hello. Yeah, mpacho ma radio me ko for why. Mpacho dum no kra dum no.
Hello.
Yeah, mpacho me te wonka. E fra se na aka se free.
Apa from Radanso, Casa Free Music.
Mpacho yo yeti o.
Abatia no bibi ni.
Yeah.
Enti ohia boafo a se omuboa no.
What's up with me? Also bet me aboa.
Phone say abatia no omumka mbukai woni. Na aba kwa na ya se ni program e wo mi se ma ko so Liberty.
Okay.
Aya ma from omu amwa. Ade ba kwa na e ha adwen edukwasi dibu ni nyom no. Eduma bi anayom no na ntisi wo mpapa. Because obi a wasa sese anka wo hia boafo sese wo boa. Ben so ye be kan. Obi amwa. Enti nyam kan se abante be ju ni. Ti amwa no na okoni.
Okay, boss, onim ne wo so be ya obudi be boa no. Onim ne wo so be ya obudi be boa no. Hello. Onim ne wo so be ya obudi be boa no.
Oh, ena meka no.
Aha, tie ne me ba be ka che no. Ne wo ho anwum no. Fama unya anwum na, fama ne pafofro ote wo nchen. Chema nkrofo no bia entie bi. Na na se link no wa send ya nkrofo no mo se etie bi. Uyesa wo de boa no. Why?
Okay, Martin.
Aha, yo. But I say thank you so much for calling.
Okay, it's me ba say.
Yo. Appendix inti
yo even so me metima dem pese me ka twato woni se atifo ni nyina no mesro mo se o mo yeden sisi aya sesa ko phone era bibia nwom no yenton CD bio nti se o hwa kindika me wo TikTok me wo live sisi akra se o hwa kindika obo mi di no akin EKING DICK obitima nyame nwom babia audio mark boom play Apple Music YouTube baby I yetonum bia no okoho obinyame nyomato.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Nti mo TikTok obitima use me sound and there video. Nti mo follow na mo follow music.
Okay, thank you so much for coming, really Charlie. I wish you all the best.
Thanks for having me, bro.
All right.
Big up yourself, man.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Someone this fire, access, hello. This day shot, the best they look. Every promise that test by the book.
And ene akendik the general ena edin komono ni nyuma etwegu destiny. To wait me all the social media handles no wait me akotie enyum no na wait me ako yusu nyum no so e de aye video e wo TikTok. And also wait me all the DSPs streaming platforms so much ko stream nyum no ama na ko nanim. Enti yen semre no ye de eyen komotwetwe ne be shaase oponchecheku wa ha Wheezy Fashion enso e wa ha na ye de komotwetwe na ahihye so na nkomo a ye be din ene no ye be bo ne teto ye mre ne ko pi na eyen nana ye bo a actor o say eye Daddy Lumba ye no ene ya sapo ye no e bae sen Daddy Lumba de no mitino eno nkwa no 1 week celebration po na nkofo abasa no nti Daddy Lumba ye ni de nkofo amma kra nti yentie ne eye papa yeboa your friend is saying nana yeboa e kan yentie ne o kan
that's yeah and so that's what the first now watch na I mean the so me kan sa wo na me be what's your say and so that's what the first way no when I watch that here what's your say wa had dem pa yabo sani adwontofo apa because I got for to that from adwontofo bebrahama when I watch that new na yie da no be hu anim senior for on the ya support and your friend is a pair ni na na kwa ya kuma to ye yem papa ya ba na yie ya ba na watch that na so bi ama ho na sa wa ba na wa ba hu no de mi hu na de so wo support legal wise na kuna ni aye me ba ya support aye what you say ama yo ba na mo na support
nti we na nana yeboa actor nana yeboa ekan about Yaosapo ene Daddy Lumba eye no Daddy Lumba nso ne hu sensem no eto ntwa papa shi mamu so mbe eye no foforo next month March ya nti papa shi organize a sorry deliverance service and as a crusade ama akosia sewa ewo enkran eno so hu nsem wo ha ye beka na Yoko any anasa Ghana Tourism Authority any Yoko akambum say omo ye tourism anasa instrahwe adwuma na omo ye travel and tour no ebi bebre na ye illegal na omo di sisi amanfo nti omo ne Ghana Tourism ni Yoko babe kambum na omatu omo sosa na akwa akese se oto I vote Emma award no nyansan bi anim na Ministry of Communication and Gender Ministry so release details of Russia Brunino ba krom hana one yema yo ano ebe enuoma no on so release nti ye be hye nkomo na se na ekire no ye ne mpanyifo bi nso ebedi nkomo efa stories we nyina ho opon checheku men sha se free ho no nti
medem de
udem channel 5 mama
ni na me touch on na say
yeah no obe pick anyone yeah
nana yeboa ono wa no say controversial yi nse mo ka no me head am fa kwa musa nti nse na wo ka no wo ka dia blame Lumba ana Lumba busuafo ana kosu asewa na odobroni no they name say Lumba bra obobo na asase so ni nyoma oto ye no adodo na can say he is the goat of Ghana music.
Okay,
he is the goat of Ghana music. What you say nti Lumba yi no say Lumba free mo no ye ni emu bi ka say Lumba kran ke man state barrier na momo no enam eye widowhood rights penimfo anasa busuafo entimi yan dey antena se anka enu tina ma Lumba yi eni court nsensem Lumba yi entimi ambassador yes keba
okay
Lumba ni 1 week omo ye no akra it was wonderful what you say enu kura ntina ye asantefo ka say eye ni dey nkrafo no ombe say no nti yemfa mbre kumase ni anye dey yenye yeyi.
Okay, upon answer na beto aso no mene abrantie bi ebedi nkomo o say papa shi ade na oye no say akọ organize crusade ama akosia sewa no one ne nya adwen na ha no enti no mene bedi nkomo abrantie friend no Samuel Nyameche or your PR expert or sanso entertainment enthusiast. Hello Mr. Samuel Nyameche.
Yeah, Ivan.
Apo me
o Nyamede ache
na weekend e ko say
o me me afa mu die ngakra ka Nyame ado bi e ko so me na na makuafo na o mu so ha me kakra but na wo ye entertainment show ya o mu ti de minim se sere be show ma fo mu na o mani aje kakra
akuafo no o mani aje aban so abo ne homode ama o mu mpacho o si papa shi wa ye oden
mama fa konya iso na menchia one otiefo nyina na artist na waba wono
okay
ono so menchia no obono moden okay kesere nyame se ontimi mboa no na ondura chiri na sefima iso so intimi nya artist a yebo artist e ogana a yebetimi aboni din account
okay
uni Me fasa kwenye sunu masachi ya miyami papa kwa Jubamba Open National Affairs Vice Chairman ewe MPP any a classmate for Omoke University for nyina area.
Okay.
No question me say papa she make us say owe chitafo na ohwe ade a oye na ekwan bi so no me hu ni say or demonstrate what you call loyalty for the late Daddy Lumba. Ebi omumi no musi so omayan kufa omufaye eni agora omudi se ne Daddy Lumba ni honum na de oye senka oye no kwan so na bibia mu no ade bi eye Daddy Lumba de bia no o hwe senka bibia betutu yi a enka me famu de me hunu se enka mfonso bia eni ho na ono so akoye nyame ni pa mu de na o ka se oye crusade ye ka se well a good move but at the wrong time. At the wrong time in the sense that Papa Shi cry we say on say ni parodo say na ni Papa Shi. Senye Daddy Lumba sebi ni wo yi na Papa Shi be Papa Shi ne onam ha no asema ye be say busa bi mo ho ni say eye ni nya mesem kana ode enante amane dina asisi no ati atishe e wo man Ghana mu obi atene kan Papa Shi no enya mesem na all kana enye no na oye a different dimension crown no or they ye de oye na ene obe ye sane ma wenyina wadamfo a oni ne dia agro sebi se oni hono ma obehwe na watoto na chi ama bibia ye kama no oni ema oni omtena ye na omo ewo ye no akogina ba ko achi time ba ko mi huni se so oye ne sa well yenim ayonko gura ewo oni ye maame akosia se wa entem but senka wo hwe adamfo a e woda de Lumba na wo se woda de Lumba pa dia ene na me from de mi hu ni say de Lumba wari we wanwari we e ma na ye kan ma sem nyina so de Lumba ne wo mo ma wo senka otimi kan mu nyina ebom na o hwe say obetutu ne ma ama de Lumba so na chi no asumbi aba entimi ankwanko ba ne sa de bia na akwa ye te say wo pe justice for de Lumba akosia se wa na odi na chi na de ono so tena no ho a ohwe no na wo fi se ono de ye nto no ntwene ye ndesika de ono ne ma ne ade a obi bia wo tena se na se bi odwin kwa chi bia na be hu ni se anamuntu a wutu no enye ho ana mo ne na wo kotu se wo rekwa akori crusade yes a Christopher nyina jitu na ye hu ni se crusade de ya ade a ye de twen dom se dom o ma me di wachi ba esuni baya odan na di Daddy Lumba wuachi kakra eme ye hunu se dabi ade a wo ye no wonya nipa asumdwe wo ye nipa asumdwe nipa de de na me wo so wo ye crusade ye mra medi wachi na be kan Yankopon asem kirebe nyame so ye odo na nyame na wudi na chi na wo so ye odo no wo ntimi enda odo bi adi a de na ye ba bedi wachi
okay Inti neje se uni Papa Shi enya adwen se ne oye aboa Daddy Lumba na ire no uni ni nya adwen
mene ni nya adwen ya dia oye se sebi Daddy Lumba ene nyame ato ne nsa afre no a okono krechi oni hoi Daddy Lumba so nana muntu otu ye bia no se wo pa kire se akosua se wa eni odobruni Daddy Lumba ko fa odobruni ene oni ho a enti wo judge Daddy Lumba say oye mistake say okofa odobroni ana so ya adamfo na ya adamfo papa all the decisions are adamfo no eteki ya ene oni hobia no mistakes bi e won de eye papa nyina na wo so na okrokra nanka ye hu ye nanka ye hu ni sa odobroni wa ha ma e ma me akosua se wa ha wo ya adamfo a wo nim se de ositie na wo timi kire na se e na me na bo anu ma ni sini dan me ne ye se mi ye nsi e hye se wo nim no yi so ni mni ye na nipa ni ho a aden na odobroni no one na anwo one ne wo ma odobroni nso wa abusia Daddy Lumba na tena ya danse wo ho a cheso ne tena ya aden na wo a wo ya adamfo a wonim no untimi nka saa ma ne mienu nyina ne wo ma emom ema ye nka se na ye papa kora ni wa ye ni enye dai enye ya
okay
etu fi se odobroni ema e wo ho no ma omu be eni beje wo ho se agora oni wo papa di ye no ebetima atoa so eni wadi agora na entimi nye saa
okay
so me yeah
okay yemre no ntino echi yebedi nkomo no into details yebeda ase se moso ode wadwen kire aba na Papa Shi de as you yate Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother. All right. Mr. Samuel Nyameche, PR expert, was also a student of KNUST, and also actually Najin Efa, Papa Shi, as ne Akusia se wada de lumba hun sensem no. Upon mami.
Kana manu so me monitor na me nua so.
Okay.
Ntina na ye bo ade o ka se ya sapon na o tweda na ba chen lumba yie no. Eno no ye obi a enye obi a enye lumba. Se de open na yie no no. What you say? Eye nsem abeba ho na de abantiwe no. Enye asem anko no kugya bi kan sa asem no sei. What you say? Uhem kura na me so wakosu asa wa camp. Ntino ka kasa nsem no. Ntino mi mu se it's neither here nor there. A square peg in a round hole and head and fuck musa.
Okay.
Now me ka ho ne Papa Shi. Ni crusade a wo ye de ama. Asa wa na say team legal wife no. Say de minu na wo ne kasa ye ne kan ye no. Papa Shi oye obi a enye nyam sujuma na wo ye no. De wo ye ne nya atwom. Hypocritical. What you say? Sa asema ba se de minu ya ne kan ye no. So na wo ban lumba. Wo ye lumba damfo na anase na damfo. Na say wo film na awarefo mienu enya asema yikogira ba ko achi. Da bi nyame nipa. Ana say obi a wo se wo de wodi nyame asem na ye adwuma no. Elikwa say okugina ba ko achi. Nti wo bom paye e de amakosu asewa se odobro ni on de onu wonwu anaso on de onye den. Nyame nipa yes ah. No, we say you are calling for division, which is uncalled for. It me the say Papa Shi onya de woye no. It go na sa crusade no yen kwa na nipa anko no. What you say? Yeah. It go nipa anko no. They say we you crusade now they are bomb pie makusu say. Ada kusu say what obi kuna na. Ana obi be wechi no.
Say bia or the build momentum.
It's a saying. E dey momentum.
On betwe man so.
Bible say dey. O say Bible ka say yentan ya tamfo. O say obi a ono wo ye otamfo no kwa dey penasem.
Na as a Papa Shi me cry me hu videos ni bi as ade na ya fake dodo na a deliverance a wo ye na de nipa na twa no ho sa na do sa
ade chen ye jiska de ma akusu asewa ma mi mu so no wotena bro chire be 30 something years obo ne bra ho
Papa Shi
kana oje odi koma
some question na
what you say it is ma ka say Papa Shi de wo ye no wonyai na mfa kwam what you say ono unam na preach a koso na nante na preach na ja say akota akusu asewa chi a watwe nsem no mu twan want to say when akusu asewa ne kasa maafo ne so person minim se bia boso me tua ne kawo mitimi kire akusu asewa no mu ne ba kura bra akusu asewa de asem no kokoto no so opelum ba ja pade no ne baba ya ba ko ono no kura me se o practice law wose ne ma menyi ne din free sa grata no
okay
what you say challenge for su ne baba ya fan challenge for su wose ne ma menyi ne din free ne sa court suit no no emfa no ho na wo wonye busuani wonya hye no wa fa asam te se unia me misi form
mate
misi form
Wizzy
Kevi
wa mi ti we
Kevi na de I say me wa home kakra
asem ben
and 1 week pepe na me lose me ma me ba ko
Charlie, sorry.
Lucy Nkankam.
Okay.
Or Busmon so.
Sorry. And I find
but the 1 week so yeah be no 26th February Thursday and e be 1 week no see.
But yeah sha say ne.
Send the be unfi.
Charlie, my condolences, Charlie. Yeah, nti my minti you.
Your concern no so no. I think that me for free kwa okese what they no. In this industry or in a business form no say OPBB and I say be a organization be an event planner for be na omo say ye adwuma boy adwuma no mo say ye nominative ama wa ba beji award bi na wo san fan ho say wo san kutuotu eska I think that ne oka no no kre nyansan bi anim and and shim kran so say o be sa
I say award no mo dey ma the highest bidder wow sika so
I say kona koto la bi asi okrom ada
na me be sha say me host show first day me host show na manya message you person nominate to for am say massa na me ma achieve there my head den e da na my year
ebi no
oh massa my feeling cry
event plan will be omode some we be bar out and me file here the when there na say wow fire but me hear say like before say ubenya award no na what you be 4,000 5,000 no na nyansa bi anim say me boss aka no nti me twe me okra frame say na that scan e betimi bibi papa bi am me ko bi am fan say marine matua 5,000 marine oba me TV 32 inches I cost be 1,500 my boka and yeah to us no you be for free papa she no I think that we have video now me have video now me ra ho ama ono kra no like I say my ferry ama no oh and you're right say you be kind no oye in a wrong time sanka omunya nya yie no e na bi a wo organize crusade say bi a ye na ye de asre nyankopon say o ma de lumba ne kra na bi a okono o ma de baby papa entina yeah ne ye nyina ye nsan ko hia bi ma I think sanka no ne ye better but I say bi a o ma ye na wie more you guys are planning to say mo be new one I think say to be honest no yansan bi anim and nipa na wo ye crusade na man ankasa no kra no wa ma sorry ne bi
onu ko wo Germany
oni Ghana ha
ko say wa wo Germany
oko back to German nti denti na o stress ho sorry no I think say one ne organizers for no kwa na egu na no mo san ye nsenchene nti I think say in a way no so or ye for ono personal interest yeah on say back and forth ni na no papa she ni din abasoro yeah nti or they ride on say bia o mi din abasoro dia mame organize crusade bi na me fanje quest kakra ko back down the class so mo jiji ska
yeah
nti ne bra o mo ba no nti fa kwem say papa she be sa
okay but I say yemre ne point no yenyena yen sorry so and I will be before be officer or the count. Okay. Okay, Wheezy, and I yet in na in Semino a dorsum, but near Reneko. But then, Papa she asema okay, or Niama or ye. Me muze papa no bia na adwum no bibi enkoyie kakra entina
can be say catch on my kwakase de no kakra bi emre ho no ma
okay
emre ho
okay my
ya kwakase no me ba say bia ye you say bia bia artist of the year na bia ye yimi nua Wizzy na mfa say me wo sika na me ma sponsor me fans na me dia mom no ato vote dia mame na just me no ma dey me ma wene ebi so na me deserve ebi a wo deserve but because me ni sika no me nsem no na me dia me fans no mo dia ato vote dia mame wote ase eno no wo kire se e ho ne dey ntwe but ho no no ultimate blame the organizers of the event ya ultimate blame wo mo say ya de ne ye pre ho
I think say
na utie ene ye yiwu ene ye yi me ene ye yi nipa foforo ene ye si eye votes ene ye de be de ye de be nkudu oba ye winner what you say I think the vote ni I think 60 or 70% if I'm not mistaken but what must say enti mimi wo sika ena me de ama me fans ena omo de ato vote ndi ama me ena bia wo ni bi ena want me amfa bia ama omo enti at the end of the day say me this kind of fans no me to vote ni ma me a me didn't blame any organizer. No.
But I think it's a bad act also you condemn.
It's not condemnable. It is never condemnable.
Cause Basana Nipana Yamfan say o deserve no. Ebebu na bem.
Inti omo nyede no mo yi the winner. Organizers ni nyede.
But I think say vote no. I think say vote no.
Some bet me anya judges na
say judges ka ho.
Judges the omo
you to one mo you are into ayi. What you say? Academy no, academy ni wo ho. Board ni wo ho.
And but let me ask for 100,000 just
for public for organizers.
Is that obey advert?
Say
amount for be who into no so who nya
enya no kwa.
No, it's a telco sponsor award. Telco no be nya sika from promotion. Into promotion no